It's Diecast Dave. I'm going to do me a little unboxing video sitting here in my truck. I just got a box from New South Wales, Australia, from Fex Deth. I won off his giveaway here. I'll show it to you right quick. Man, I wasn't expecting this. Mr. Fex Deth. This is friggin' killer. Awesome. Got 6 of them. The Matchbox super fast. Check these out. 36 Ford sedan custom. I don't even think I'm gonna open these, man. That card art. I sure do think you'll like Fex Deth. They spent over $37 shipping it to me here in Virginia, in the States. My grandfather was stationed in New South Wales in World War II, I think 1943. I always wanted to go to Australia. There's the next one, 68 Dodge D200. Love that card art. The details in these diecast. Skyjacker. That is nice. Now the next one is a super fast 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. Ain't that a sweet one? Man, these are killer. The next one is the 2010 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Look at that. Look at those wheels and tires. Spare tire in the back, sunroof. The next one is a 64 Pontiac Grand Prix. Super fast. I love those wheels too. That is too cool, let me tell you. And this one here, it's a 62 Willie Jeep wagon. Check this one out. That is a sweet one right there. See in the back. Y'all go and check out Fex Deth's channel. Check out these videos. There's 5 in that set. I think the 36 Ford is from another set. It might be a Chase, I don't know. Look on back here. No, it's from another set. Ford sedan, Crown Vic Police. '63 Chevy pickup, Nissan Skyline, and a Range Rover. Well, Fex, I sure appreciate these, man. Surprise giveaway prize. Appreciate you shipping them all the way from there like that. Might have me a little giveaway here pretty soon. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Go subscribe to Fex Deth too while you're at it. Watch and like some of his videos. And I'll catch you on the flip side.